up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and we are on our way to Bombshells. We're in the Z06. We got the boy Mike in tow, and we are going to go on to Bombshells. The car is absolutely filthy though, so we need to get a wash for sure. I'm filming this after I washed it, so that's why I'm a little hot and sweaty because it's 150 degrees outside. But without further ado, let's get on the road and let's head to Bombshells, and let me know what y'all think of the cars there. Let me know what y'all think of the cleaned up Z06, and let's get there. All right, guys, it is time to get the vet a good wash. It hasn't been washed since Oregon, so we're on our way to Bombshells. But first, we need to make her look pretty for the crowds. Still do need to get a proper detail on this thing, make the chrome rims extra sparkly and make the red pop a little more, but this will do for now. All right, guys, this was me when I first saw the car. Ah! There we go, the crystal red tint coat showing through. The foam is still shooting loads. I couldn't help myself. She's just too thick. Oh, baby. Woohoo, baby, looking like a whole new car. Now it's time to get on and boogie on down to Bombshells. Be like the first real car show I bring this car to. So, if you see me, come say what's up. Woo! Woo!
We got VIP power, right, Drew?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where do I park?
Wherever you want to park, man.
I'm gonna go around the corner. I don't want to steal like a front and center spot. Papa, where do you want me? Where do you want me? Okay, cool.
Yes, he has the best car here.
All right, guys, we have made it into Bombshells, and we got VIP parking. Not gonna lie, I feel kind of cool now. Went from the V6 to the Z06, and now they respect me a little bit more. But it's looking good as ever. We got it washed up. Got my Z06. We got this cool little MG here. Don't see these too often. We got Mike. Woohoo! Oh, we got the whole fam in there. That's dope. Heck yeah, dude. All right, rolling 4 deep in the 1,000 horsepower Supra, and we got the classic Beetle.
Wait, hold on. Is that a Supra?
Guys, the real question is, do we take the Kia Sportage or the Supra? It's the Bops! A homeboy here in the bagged, stand stout Mustang. Looks very good. Let me tell you, it's much better in person. Oh my goodness.
Like this. They're supposed to be this size, and he's twice that size.
Look at him. Oh my god. Got the homemade Demon. We got the E46 M3. This is kind of sick. I like this. We got a Camaro on some serious meats right here. We got the E46 M3 pulling up, which I'm a big fan of the plate. E46 BMW. Nice. Now this is like the first factory RTR truck or something. I got my buddy in the Color Shift Z06. Got a boosted Infinity. What's up? What's up? What you got done to this? What's up? Damn. Okay. This is a fast Infinity. Fully built motor, sleeve, twin turboed. He said about 1,100. What?
Where's that?
It's over on the other side. that Viper is 1,000 horsepower. Hey, there they are.
I'm okay. That's decently sized.
I see you.
Yeah. That's impressive.
Sheesh.
That's impressive. I like, yeah, you can barely see it.
Yeah. Right-hand drive Supra. Very nice. Woohoo, that is so clean, dude. All right, the Supra that rolled in 4 deep has popped the hood. Jesus. Said 1,067 horsepower last time he had it on the dyno. We got like the pastel baby blue Volkswagen truck right here. Don't know anything about this car, but pretty clean little thing. The interior redone, it looks like. Okay. It was nice. It's nice. Check this out. This is like an F-250, but they made it like a pre-runner F-250. It's kind of sick. Look at that. Old school Lincoln. Woo, underground racing twin turbo Huracan. Makes like 1250. Look at that pattern in the wrap. That's sick. It's a love truck. All right, this Mustang right here, Vortec, no Paxton supercharger. Nice, always love a good centrifugal supercharger. You get that jet plane sound. Sup, cub? Yeah, Supra, nice, man. And then a boosted Stingray. Got a Pro Charger in it. The Grom burnout. Yeah. Yes, sir. The cops just flew by. They're going after the vet. Are they gonna get him? I think he's gone. I don't think they're gonna get him. Ah! Hey, it's that YouTuber guy. Got a little traffic jam going on. Look at this beautiful sunset that we're graced with here. It's fantastic. What? That little bug's moving. Hear them bald eagles. He said, no. Hey, don't you dare honk. Yeah! Oh, the bike! The bike! Bro, he's gone. Don't even try, man. He's actually gonna try to get the bike. Hey, we got some double trouble. Yeah, he's getting out all aggressive. Brothers, he's not catching you. Hey. Hey, he's gone. Yeah. Woo! Let's get it. Got the no fun cops, the first one that's told us to move out of like the 50 that have passed us. Just gonna send it! Hey, the homie in the Z01 leaving before. Okay, we had a Ferrari pull up and a Bentley. Nice. Unspeakable's leaving in the GT3 RS. Very clean, very clean. And it's time for us to hop in the vet and skedaddle. Too many cops at Bombshells this time around.
Done it.